Okay, so final update on the Alice frame that I was trying to repair. As you can see, I popped the rivets out and just screwed in some small screws and bent it a little bit inwards just with sheer force because it wasn't staying in place. But after that, little repair, feels solid, feels good, and so I'm hoping to do the same thing up here once I'm able to push out the remaining rivet there, maybe drill it, who knows. But yeah, because when I clamped it, some of it just stuck in there, and yeah, other than that, I'm hoping to use the same method, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching.